How do you think relationship
Yeah.
between your children and you as parents
Oh.
has evolved?
Oh,
Or
please.
You asked for a...
The question which I was dying for,
Yeah.
the question which I was dying for is this, that the Zenith has given us a platform to be a great family. You know, the kind of conversation now four of us we can have is amazing. It used to be very beautiful earlier also, but now like it is, I mean, they understand us so well that what do we want to say, and we are understanding them also, and it is one-to-one conversation. It is a conversation. There is no mother father, and there is no like a, you know, being a bully on a child or something. It's not like that. It's a conversation, a beautiful arguments, and reaching on a conclusion. That kind of a platform Zenith has given us. It's wonderful. I mean, and trust me, every Sunday whenever Niharika has a class, रात को हम चारों बैठ जाते हैं, and then we ask Niharika, now you tell me what Gulin ma'am has taught you. And that one lesson when she, you know, shared with us, we also get 10 things for us. You know, okay, this is the thing. Latest I would like to share one more thing which I would love to share is that what Gulin has taught them about octopus wearing that skates. Oh God, I think Janin and Jani, we were also going through the same thing. We are doing 10 things. We have 10 things on our mind and working on all those things all together. And we were going in that frame of mind that day. And she came and said, Niharika, tell me what have you learned today? Then she shared that class. And me and Rajesh were looking at each other. Oh my God, this lesson is for them or for us? So
Very
such
true.
kind of conversation we have with each other, and we're learning from each other every day. So it is something, I mean, I myself want to join, be a part of this course, you know.
Very true. And your question of how do you feel that, well, four of us, the relationship between four of us,
Yeah.
I would share something that we met a German guy regarding parenting. And he explained us that parenting is all about, it is not about training your children, it is about growing with your children.
Actually.
And actually, it is that your kids are only small sized grown-ups.
Yes.
Only the height or the size is different, but they are a complete grown-up human beings.
Yeah.
So once you will start dealing that way, so the life becomes different. And we listened to it, but never followed it out. But in this year, we can see that when four of us are talking, so we simply feel that four grown-ups are talking.
Yes.
Though my son is 11 and my daughter is 13, but we can talk equal.
Yeah.
And times they even used to tell me, Papa, आप show off बहुत करते हो लोगों के आगे.
Yeah.
But that was a bomb like me. I never knew that I do that. But they were telling me, Papa, you do this. And it was like one-to-one talking, one up. We are all one up to each other. Nobody is small, nobody is younger, everybody is equal.
Yeah.
And there we talk on very logical issues. We can talk. It is simply that we start communicating. It is not that the father is speaking and the kids are listening. It's not that way now. Four of us have dinner, and we are a treat when we are having dinner because everybody speaks the mistake. But one more thing I would share, that we've also been into a lot of forums, and we've learned a lot of things. And we used to share that once our children will be 14 and 15, we'll start talking to them. That was a year back, year and a half back. And maybe then they'll start to understand us, what we're learning from the forums. But today, maybe for that reason, we were very optimistic about joining our kids into such kind of a forum. But today things are different. They speak to us that language, what we have not yet reached that level. From all the forums that we have done, we don't speak that language today, but they speak higher than us.
Yeah.
What we were confident that we will teach them something at the age of 14, 15. Today,
They're
at that
already
age, they are already teaching us.
They are teaching us.
There are many things Niharika is like, I'll be honest to say, I'm not very good on time management. But Niharika is really particular after me, like, Papa, once you said, then why were you not there on time? She's teaching us. We traveling on the road, though we were particular not to throw out anything from the car, but by default, being a true Indian, some other the time we throw out the packet. And there, Niharika's hand or Abhishek's hand is always there on us, ki Papa, not throwing. We'll go back home and throw it in the dustbin.
Clean,
Very small things, but we are very sure that these small things will give them a character, like, as in your language, character beyond, what do you say?
Oh, character versus
Reputation, yeah,
reputation
that's right.
is one of the class which again I would like to share a
Yeah.
lot, Because I think all through a life, in spite of being so educated and all that, we work on reputation rather than characters.
Very
And character, I know what it is. Character is something which, what you are when nobody's seeing you. That time, what your behavior is, I personally call it a character. And I always had this thing in mind that I am a dual personality, because I am something else in front of people and I am something else beyond, when nobody's looking at me. And when Niharika shared this class with me, I said, whoa, this is what I'm fighting inside with me on this same issue. And I think ever since,
It's more of our learning. to
and
be very
ever
honest.
since,
It's more
and
of our
I'm
learning.
seeing Niharika as a complete character. Because Abhishek has not reached this level, so I can't say about Abhishek. But Niharika, I'm saying she's working on character. She's not working on reputation at all. She's not bothered by what people say about her. She's making herself clean up, because this is what they have learned at the right age.
Very true.
At the right age, they have learned the meaning of character. I've understood now. Now I'm working on my character. But trust me, Niharika is a strong character. So
And see, one more thing I would like to appreciate about Niharika is she's become very responsible and caring towards her sibling, Abhishek.
Yeah, Abhishek.
She's taking care of him, like she started scolding him at wrong points, making him understand with comfort, and she's becoming a true friend to her. Friend, I would say, not just as a friend, but as an advisor friend. That Abhishek, you have to grow here, you have to do this right, you are not behaving properly. And that's like too much of a, I would say, I can't say that motherly point, but a smart friend, I would say, who can advise you the right direction in life.
Maybe a mentor like?
Mentor like, very true. very
She's
true.
really behaving like
She's
a
behaving
mentor
like
to
a
him.
mentor to Abhishek, and we can easily feel the shift in Abhishek also. Though our emphasis, because Niharika is doing this forum much more than what Abhishek has done, but we feel the change in Abhishek is that a year back he was not accepting himself, like he was not happy with his studies or himself. He was not happy with himself at this young age. But now he started accepting whatever wrong is there in him. Is accepting it as it is. Okay, I'm fine
I'm
here, but
working
I'm
on it.
ready to improve now. That attitude shift is, I think, one of the biggest shifts which we keep on looking for within ourselves for all through our life. But he's accepted it too early. That yes, there are certain weaknesses on my side, and I'm ready to play the game of improvement. So that's, I think, is a very good beginning. It's a very good beginning, and we are very comfortable. I think 2010 has been our good year of parenting.
Learning
So our
for all
contribution
of
is
us.
not even 1% of what you people have done for a child, but we are happy that as per the parenting part and the love between four of us, it's been amazing. It's been an amazing year.
Yeah.
It's outstanding year.
So one more thing I'd like to share is that what Niharika has got out of Zenith and given me also is working on the integrity. I mean, we are both of us really working very hard to work on integrity, because even we go out of integrity many times. She understood the meaning now it takes time to understand the meaning of integrity, because it is a deep meaning. It is not just a word. It has so much to do. It's your daily action, daily plans, everything comes into it. And we both wanted to get this integrity into our life. Come in it, go out of it, come in it, go out of it. But ever since Niharika has learned the meaning of it, she is putting us also into integrity.
Yeah.
That, okay, this is the time you have given me, this is the time you want to be with me, so this is where your integrity should work. You should be with me. Switch off your phone, switch off this. When such kind of a scolding she gives to me, band kar do phone and you be with me, talk to me, you teach me, or whatever they want to do. So I think one of the beautiful things they have learned is to work on the integrity.
We've learned something, we had learned rather, is dear time. This drop everything and read. Is basically, we were taught from that German guy for parenting that when you reach back home or after 9:30 or whatever time that suits you, there has to be one time where you have to be with your children. And no phone calls, no business, no personal talks, no your friends, only you and your children. So it should be drop everything and read. Actually, it's a dear time. So now Niharika keeps on reminding us, Papa, where is your dear time? Whenever we go out of contract or out of integrity, where is your
She
dear
puts
time?
it back into it.
आप बोलते हो आप करते नहीं हो आप बोलते हो हम करते नहीं हो. So this year, like the shift was like 2009 was maybe once a month, but now we do it at least 5 to 6 times a month, and things are getting much better. Like we really switch off everything, and that 1 hour is our time, and it's one of the beautiful times, I would say.
Yeah. Again,
we
thanks
all-
to you
I would
people
like to
and
share-
thanks to
yeah.
Gurli,
Yeah.
she taught us also many things.
Yeah.
So it is ek ke sath ek free.
It's been a lovely journey, and what we want
Hey,
is
Rajesh.
much more of Zenith.
Yeah, it is ek ke sath ek free. Niharika ke sath hum bhi educate ho rahe hain.
But we want much more of this thing to continue.
Yeah.
The only thing what there has been a certain fear where I always talk about the brush and the paste is that these things fizzle out after 3 months or 6 months. But we would request the Zenith Forum, the leaders of the Zenith Forum, that kindly continue this, because this is going to be helpful for many parents and the children, of course.
Yeah.
Some other kinds.
One thing I would like to ask, since we are introducing curriculum to Zenith in schools,
Yeah.
Yeah,
in order to, our idea is to reach out to a wider audience.
yeah,
I would like to have your take
yeah,
on this. In parallel to the academics,
yeah.
do you feel this education is as important as academics, and in a way it helps in academics as well?
Definitely.
I would reply in a very strong manner. I can say that. See, there have been some very famous movies about learning, Karate Kid and all that stuff. It's all about learning, that movie. And in that movie, what the mentor was teaching the guy is to wash the car, just to wipe the car and polish it to as nobody has polished before. He said, "I've come here to learn karate, not polishing." He said, "Keep rubbing your hand like this." And so what he did, he trained that guy for many years or much of a time on polishing and painting the wall, just moving his hands. And that was when he came to teach him karate, he just taught him for the minimal time. So he said, why? He said, because the practice is much more important than the main performance. So I would say that if you are mentally positive about learning and you're open to learning in the school, that is much more important than the learning part.
Yeah, academics.
Why are tuitions
yeah.
more popular today? Because students don't learn in the schools. There was no concept. But today, if you are attentive in the class with fresh mind and a positive attitude, and you know how to learn, is very important. So learning how to learn is more important than the learning itself. I would say that 1 hour of that education in this outside the school, or if it is there in the school curriculum, can reduce the time of education in the school.
Yeah,
It's going to be more promising than the whole curriculum, than this education. I would say studying in the school.
See, what are we going to get out of this academics studies is reaching to a goal. Okay? But this is what we're studying. We're studying maths, English, Hindi, and we have a goal that one day we will be something. But we don't know what we will be something. But in Zenith, and what I have again talk about one of the class, when Gurleen has taught them to, find your goal, what you want to be, and then start working on it today. Because today the base will be created for what you want to be. As I share that Niharika is clear that she wants to be an architect. So that dream she had long back. But today she's working on that dream. She's going on the sites where she wants to know about the books which are on the architect. So she started working on what she wants to be. So same way, if this course is being a part of the curriculum or the academics, they'll become more focused what they want to be. It's not just studying English, Hindi, maths. They don't know why they're studying. They're just studying it.
Very true. Very well said. I would say they don't simply know that
why are we studying all these subjects, and where, believe me, आज मैं वो books पढ़ती हूँ ना, मुझे आज वो ज़्यादा अच्छी समझ आती हैं. जब when I was studying in the school, I was not getting them. Why I'm studying all these? What is the use of understanding physics and chemistry? But today I'm understanding better because now it's clear. I've reached to some level. So if that thing is clear at that age, why we studying it? I think it will be more helpful for them to be. That's what I believe. So I think it's a wonderful idea to bring it to the schools.
Perfectly, it's a great idea,
and then
we would say that we can be a part of whatever kind of, I should not say support, whatever kind of duty that I have to do, play in this game, I'm ready to play that.
And sir, one more thing I'd like to share again is that, like, as we just shared, that kind of platform we have got because of Zenith between us and children. In same way, all the children are the same as with the, like we are become, as 4 of us have become. Same way, if those children also become very clear with their parents, there's nothing in their mind, there's nothing in the brain, it's only about growing in life. I think it will change all through their life.
Very well said. I would just add one more feather to this cap, I would say. Today the parent-child relationship is great, so the things are blooming up.
Yes.
If we have the same relationship with the teachers and the students,
as well,
you can imagine the wonders happening there.
Yeah.
It's going to be an amazing difference.
Yes.
I would say it's going to create the world of a difference that you want to create. Because as I was sharing with somebody, like I had a fear with my teachers and I could not do well in those subjects. Today, if the comfort level for a child or for the student to go to the teacher and tell that, ma'am, please help me more, I'm weak here, is not possible with 99% of the children. And if you can create that, I think that's going to be the biggest achievement.